Alright, check, sound check, testing, mic sound. Alright, yung gabi sa tanan. Ari na kita sa aton nga katapusan sa Micropara Lab. Alright, let's go with TB, tuberculosis. Ano may mga TB sa balay nila da? Alright, tuberculosis or Cox disease. Alright, consumption disease is a chronic subacute acute respiratory disease commonly affecting the lungs. Alright, ang tapos yan sa lungs, galibot na siya guys. Galabot siya sa blood, galabot siya sa bones. Alright, they're characterized by the formation of tubercles and those tissues which tends to undergo necrosis and calcification. Caseation, alright. Etiologic agent, tandaan si Mycobacterium TB, si Mycobacterium africanum, kag si bovis. Alright? Tab, TAB, tuberculosis, africanum, and bovis. Next, incubation period 2 to 10 weeks. If untreated, the patient is capable of discharging the organism all throughout his life. So, bilog siya kabuhi. It is highly communicable during its active form of transmission. Paano siya ginasaylo? Paano siya ginasaylo? Paano siya magsaylo or travel transmission? Alright, it's direct, droplet, and airborne. Alright. Sources of infection: sputum, of course, blood from hemoptysis, nasal discharges, and saliva hemoptysis. Grabe na ganyan. Pathophysia, guys, inhalation, transmission, defense, protection, guns, tuberculosis, carrying dormancy, activation. So, inhalation, of course, inhalation, the word itself, susceptible person inhales. Okay, the mycobacterium becomes infected. Transmission, transmit through the airways to the alveoli. Ara na siya sa lungs naton. Alright? And are transported via lymph system and bloodstream to other parts of the body. Amo ning namba ko gina nga sa sugod pa lang nga pwede siya nga mag-ano sa blood mo. So gina-transmit siya all over your body. Alright? Defense. The body's immune system responds by initiating an inflammatory reaction and phagocytes engulf many of the bacteria. Initiating an inflammatory reaction. In TB-specific lymphocytes lies the bacilli and normal tissue protection, granulomas, new tissue masses of live and dead bacilli. Alright? Gons, tubercle, they are then transformed to a fibrous tissue mass. Nagiging mass siya, alright? Gahabok, mass. Basta may mass, Hindi nga misa. Mass, alright? The central portion of which is called a gone tubercle. Tandaan si Gon's tubercle, guys, alright? Base siya magwa. Scarring, scars, alright? The bacteria and macrophages turn into a cheesy mass. Cheesy. That may become calcified and form a collagenous scar. That become calcified and form a collagenous scar. Dormancy, dormant, katulog. At this point, the bacteria become dormant. There's no further progression of active disease. Activation, kung mag-active na, after initial exposure and infection, active disease may develop because of a compromised or inadequate immune system. So, immune system, yapon, nga balda, ma-activate siya. Alright? Classification, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Data from the history, din challenge, so data from the history, physical examination, alright. TB test, chest x-ray, and microbiologic studies are used to classify tuberculosis into one of 5 classes. So, tanan ni, alright, history, physical examination, TB, x-ray, and other microbiologic studies, guys, amo ni siyang basihan kung diin siya maklasify ang TB. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, wala exposure, wala infection. Ini, si class 1 may exposure, pero wala sang evidence nga may infection. Si number 2, may latent infection, pero wala sa disease. Alright? May infection, pero wala sa disease. Si 3, may disease, and clinically active. Si 4, may disease, pero hindi active. Alright? Tandaan, si 3, active. Si 4, hindi active. Alright? And 5, there's suspected disease, but the diagnosis is pending. Classes, different classes. Clinical manifestation, guys, read nyo lang, diba, si Magwa, of course, may night sweats, body malaise, afternoon rising of temperature, yara man. Hemoptysis, guys, ubo, dugo, alright? Occasional chest pains. Search ko na yung hunger shoulder, wala man yan. Labalo. Do hunger shoulder, do ano wala, i-search ko lang. Wala, frozen shoulder, one that has become stuck and limited in movement. Okay. Ay. Zilnielsen. Okay, mga diagnostic procedure. Tandaan, acid fast. Stain applied to smear of body fluid. Positive AFB na siya. Okay, positive AFB. Next, chest x-ray, skin test, Mantox. Mantox, tandaan ng Mantox test. Okay? Mantox. Administered by intradermal ID. Intradermal, ano ganing intradermal? Dili lang sa skin, dermal. Alright? Sulod dermal. Intradermal. Manto. Okay? Manto. Next is, guys, tandaan nyo sa Mantox sa tuberculin, all tuberculin, OT. Sputum culture, of course. Next, medical management. Ba, malawi, galing ni sa TB. Alright, guys. Tandaan, very common si TB. Kaya nga very common si TB, tandaan ang iya nga mga bulong. Alright? Medical management, first line treatment, guys. Ara si RIPE. First line agents for the treatment of tuberculosis are RIPE. Anong RIPE, Ari? Rifampin. Rifampicin, siguro. Rifampicin, same lang. Rifampin, I is isoniazid, tandaan na ha. Pyrazinamide and ethambutol. RIPE. Ginaranahin na ko na RIPE siya, guys. Kaya para matandaan nyo. Active TB, latent TB, doon kabilog na active or latent. Guys, active, all 4 drugs daily for 2 months, followed by 4 months nga INH kag RAF. Right? Isoniazid or rifampin for 4 months. Si latent TB, guys, treated daily for 9 months. 9 months. Initial phase, continuation phase, lasts for 8 weeks. Initial, continuation, additional for 7 months. Sang, ari nga mga bulong. Nan. Okay? RIPE. Ari na ginamba ko na. RIPE, ari sila. Category 1, type of TB patient, new smear. Ari guys ari ang mga diagnostic procedure, sa mga procedures para mabalaan, no? New smear positive, new smear negative. Type of TB patient, CXR checks, chest x-ray. Alright, chest x-ray. Ari, intensive phase, continuation phase. Kung intensive, ari. Kung continuation, ari lang. Alright, tandaan nyo na tong RIPE. Kita nyo na. Tandaan nyo lang 1, 2, 3, 4. Arat. Sa 4, guys, chronic na. Alright? Hindi niya acute, chronic na. Dugay na gid niya, guys. Dugay na gid niya. Bilog niya na ng alawas. Still smear positive after supervisory treatment. Refer to TB dots. Arip dots plus center. TB dots. Okay? Side effects. Tandaan, ethambutol, streptomycin, rifampin, isoniazid prevention, blah, blah, blah. Ethambutol, may optic neuritis, may blurring of vision. Is tandaan nyo niyang side effects, basi magwa. Usually ga question na sa exam, no, blah 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 blah, what are the muni-muni. For example, ma-question to nga muni-muni nagatag ka sa patient, ethambutol. Alright? Tapos nagreklamo siya nga nag-blur iya vision. A, the nurse knows that this is the side effects of the treatment, blah blah blah, nga bulong, blah blah blah. B, panic kay mga maniway kakabalo. O C, refer to the blah 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 muna. Alright, so more of critical thinking siya, and of course situational. So amo ning mga questions so gagwa ni sila kisa. Okay? So strep, damage to 8 cranial nerve, guys. Anong 8 cranial nerve? Anong 8 cranial nerve? Bala na nila. 8 cranial nerve, guys. Ano na? That's your to touch and feel, bala niya na. Tandaan ko si 8 kay do ano siya, do aritos. Pero amo na akong style do aritos si 8. So si 8 is your auditory. Ototoxic, tinnitus, nephrotoxic. Puro man dulunggan tinnitus. Alright, rifampicin, orange discoloration, urine eye, staining of teeth, or staining of teeth. Alright, isoniazid, peripheral neuritis, give vitamin B6, alright, to prevent neuritis, and prevention, guys, BCG, avoid overcrowding places. Okay, paano likawan o promotion ng health status? Of course, immune system, yapon. Okay. It's 9 minutes. Okay. Kaya, sudlon siya, no? 23. Alright, nursing assessment. Tandaan, guys. Nursing assessment, past and present, with guys histories as well as both of parents' histories, of course. Basta it's parents man. Loses weight. Kaya nga, gagamay na siya. Araw. May show the loss in physical appearance. Loses weight. Gagamay na siya. Nursing diagnosis, guys, read nyo ni. List of infection, ito yung indicate primary defenses, lower resistance, and effective airway, of course, kay ubo-ubo. effective airway clearance related to thick, ginamba ko, thick viscous air. Alright, impaired gas exchange, budayan siya ginahawa, of course, kaya ang lungs siya apektado, balda to ya alveoli, ginambala natin. Activity intolerance and balance nutrition. Nursing interventions, guys, ari ang obrahon para magnami ang kabuhi sang patient nga may TB. Alright, to promote health o promoting airway clearance, adherence to treatment regimen, of course, hindi pagkalimtan nga tudloan ng patient nga mag-adhere gid sa iya nga bulong. Alright, iban nga pinadungol na dapat mag-adhere gid sa treatment or sa bulong. Alright, promoting activity, adequate nutrition, preventing acid fast bacillus isolation, disposal, multi adverse effects. Alright, diretso kita number 23 nga module. Dasig nga niya dahil Zika. Zika. Kaya niya. Zika virus, alright, din siya alin sa Uganda, 1947. Causative agent, guys, genus Flavivirus. Family sang Flaviviridae. Flaviviridae. Alright, single-stranded ni siya. Alright, Japanese encephalitis, though related siya, of course, dengue. Yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis. Encephalitis ba? Hindi ba sa encephalitis? Alright. More likely, delikado na siya sa mga mother, kaya syempre yung baby, kaluoy. Primarily transmitted through the bite of an infected lamok. Aedes species, mosquito, lamok. Alright, lamok. Before 2015, Zika, blah, 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 incidents. Tandaan lang ni. Infection rate, taas, gali, 73%. All age groups affected. Alright. Mode of transmission, guys, lamok. Ginamba ko na. Lamok. Maternal, fetal. Alright, nanay, bata. Periconceptional, intrauterine, prenatal. Kag, of course, sexual. Sex. Right? Sexual activity, sexual transmission from an infected person to his or her partners. Alright? His or her partners. Laboratory exposure. Zika may be spread through blood transfusion. Transfusion. And of course, may detect siya sa breast milk. Pero, may detect siya sa breast milk, pero wala pa reports ang transmission of Zika virus infection through breastfeeding. Pero guys, hindi na kita mag-risgo. Based on available evidence, the benefits of breastfeeding outweigh any possible risks. So, hindi nagyapon mag-risgo. Alright? Incubation period, 3 to 14 days. A few days to 1 week. Very miyaya. Alright? Clinical findings, symptoms last several days to week. Severe disease requiring hospitalization is uncommon. Fatalities are rare. Hindi man gid makamamatay. 12. Alright, so research suggests that Guillain-Barré syndrome or GBS is strongly associated with Zika. However, only a small proportion of people with recent Zika infection get GBS. Guys, anong GBS? Guillain-Barré syndrome. Magawa na siya sa inyo sa uli, I don't know, kasi third year, fourth year ka mo. Pero guys, si GBS, ano ba ni GBS? Gina-atake niya ang iya nga own nga nerves instead of germs. Gina-atake niya ang iya nga nerves instead of germs. Alright? Tama. No. Accidentally attacks your nerves causing weakness. With proper care, people recover. Alright. Symptoms, headache, joint pain, may rash, conjunctivitis. Muscle pain. Alright, Zika and pregnancy outcomes, microcephaly, guys. Ano ang microcephaly? Gagamay ang ulo sang bata. Alright? And other severe birth defects. Ari nagali ako sa severe, may kasadalom yun. Small head size. Alright? Because small head size, of course, partially collapse ang skull. Alright? Decreased brain tissue with brain damage. Damage to the back of the eye, limited range of joint motion, too much muscle tone. Hindi siya kaulag, may restricting body. Kaya grabe ang muscle tone. Wow, tone. Tone. Limited range of motion. Treatment, there is no vaccine or medicine for Zika. Paway, tubig. Acetaminophen para sa lanat kag sa sakit. Pregnant woman should not travel. Guys, ang prevention, liwat-liwat lang. Basta likawan lang ang lamok. Amo lang gina. Alright? Likawan lang ang lamok. Wala na. Themselves, mosquito bites, sexual transmission, blah, blah, blah.